Wanted to show you some quick demos of how Norwex can clean up your home every single day. So I'm going to cover quickly the Safe Haven 5 products needed to clean your home. This has been a game changer for me. It honestly replaced everything under my kitchen sink. Not even kidding. I'm going to quickly go through each of the 5 products in here, and we're going to make a couple messes just to demonstrate exactly how microfiber works, especially for anyone who's new to Norwex. So let's get started. First and foremost, if someone gave you a balloon and asked you how you would, I don't know, let it or get it to stick to a wall, what would you do? Well, I know what my kids would do. They would rub it on their hair. And if you rub your hair on a balloon, you're creating a static charge. Microfiber also creates a static charge. So watch what happens when I do this quick demo. So I'm going to pan you guys down, okay? And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of pepper on here. I may have sprinkled a lot. So I'm going to rub that on my hair, and then I'll just gently touch that on the pepper. And you'll see it's holding on to it, right? So that's that static charge doing that. So just like our hair is a fiber, our microfiber is 200 times smaller than a human hair. So for example, if I have a dusty mess, I'm just going to grab the Norwex dust mitt and I'm going to rub it over the dusty messes and pick that right up. And through a static charge, it's going to hold on to everything. Now the Norwex dry mop pad works the same way. So we're going to add a little bit of flour on this tile. And I like to use flour because pepper's a little harder to see. This is our dry mop pad. And so if I was mopping, this is my replacement for the broom, right? If I was mopping, I would be dragging it around the surface, which also creates that static charge to pick up any dust, debris, dirt, all the things. This is so handy. You can get under furniture, under appliances, under bed. And you can imagine it's really great for crumbs and animal hair and all the dirt and debris that just might be floating around our house, right? Okay, so that's how dry microfiber works. Our wet microfiber works by picking up and hanging on to dirt, debris, and 99% of bacteria. So we're going to make a couple messes. So I'm going to take my Norwex EnviroCloth, this is how we got started 30 years ago. So I'm going to soak it in this cup of water, about 8 ounces of water in here. And Norwex microfiber is 200 times smaller than a human hair. It's also super absorbent. And if you unravel this guy, you could stretch from Canada to the Gulf of Mexico. And all that really means is that there's a whole lot of surface area in this cloth that's able to pick up lots of messes. All right, so and I might even need to get this a little bit more wet because it's not even covered. Let me get in my sink here. And we're going to create even bigger mess. All the things that we typically have to deal with, right? So we're going to use the tile again. Let me pan you guys down. Now, if you've ever seen the Norwex butter demo, you know it's pretty much mind-blowing, but we're going to make an even bigger mess. So I'm going to take some butter and I'm actually going to rub it on the tile and on my mirror here. And then we're going to add a little bit of flour. We'll add that to the tile. I'm almost out of flour. And we'll add some peppers, kind of like we're baking. And you know what? Let's even make it a bigger mess and add some lipstick, some red lipstick to the tile. I just want to show you how good the microfiber works. So it's kind of like we're in fancy baking class with our lipstick and all of our products. So what we would do is clean this up, just like this could be on any counter in our home, any floor, especially if you have kids, all the things, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the Norwex EnviroCloth. We're going to fold it in half and fold it in half again. And I want to show you how much this can actually pick up and how fast and easy it is. And we need fast and easy, am I right? So we picked up everything on the tile. Look at that, holds on to it. This cloth also has silver in it. Silver is a natural antibacterial, a natural antimicrobial. So once I collect any bacteria in this cloth, the silver is going to go to work to destroy that bacteria. So we're going to just flip it over. That's why we folded it the way we did. And now we're going to go to a shiny surface. So this is going to represent our counters, floors, whatever. This mirror is going to represent every shiny surface in our house. So when we clean a shiny surface, we want to use the EnviroCloth first, wet with water, and then we're going to finish the job with the Norwex Window Cloth. So the Window Cloth and EnviroCloth come in lots of colors. This just happens to be our spring print. All right, so let's polish this up. We're going to get a streak-free shine. I mean, it's instant. This is not just for your mirrors. It's good for your glass, for your granite, the sliding glass doors, all the things. Super easy, super fast, and no toxic chemicals on any of our surfaces, and not a ton of things to buy, right? So you guys are definitely going to want to join my VIP group because I'm going to give you tips on cleaning, how to wash and care for your microfiber. Plus, I'll introduce you to some other products that you can use around your home to make life just a little bit easier, right? We deserve that. One of the products, for example, is the Norwex cleaning paste. This is our power cleaning paste. It comes in the Safe Haven 5 set as well. So I'm going to grab that EnviroCloth and I'm going to flip it over again. So there's our messy side. And we're gonna flip it over again. Now we have some nice clean sides. And I'm gonna take my permanent marker here and I'm gonna write on the tile. I'm just gonna write thank you. All right, put a couple XOs because I appreciate all of you so much. All right, so we've made a mess. Now we're gonna clean it up. Now this could be any kind of situation in the house, right? Our paste comes as a solid on purpose and you just wanna use a damp Norwex cloth, or maybe you have our counter cloths, which are really fantastic. They're your paper towel replacement. We also have the awesome kitchen cloths. They all remove bacteria and help clean up all the messes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our damp cloth and we're just gonna rub it onto that cleaning paste, which is what makes the paste. And we're gonna quickly, oh yes, I do have you pan down. We're just gonna quickly clean that up. I mean, you see how fast and easy this is. Now, depending on what you're cleaning, sometimes it might take a little bit more elbow grease, but the cleaning paste is great for your bathroom tile, the grout, even sneakers. Literally, like, how great is that? My kids joke because I have them use our cleaning paste and they're like, when is this going to be out? Like cleaning paste to get the black marks off the walls because, you know, teenage boys are, right? And it's like never empty. They wish it would run out. But one container will last you 3 to 5 years. This has hundreds of ways to use it. Make sure, again, in my VIP group, I'm going to show you all those ways. So in our Safe Haven 5, we also have 3 different laundry detergent options that you can pick from. You can pick from our detergent that's called Ultra Power Plus. This is a powder and it's also a multi-purpose product, meaning you can use it to make a spray cleaner, like an all-purpose cleaner. You can clean your jewelry with it, your makeup brushes. You can even use it in your carpet shampooer instead of that expensive stuff from the store that's full of probable toxic chemicals, right? So this is one of my favorites. I say enough good things about this. And one bag lasts my family probably 4 to 5, even sometimes 6 months. We also have the Eco Wash laundry detergent strips. These are great for traveling. The Eco strips come like, let me show you. They come like this, little sheets. So this is a half sheet. So you just rip it, and for a small load, I would even rip that again, right? These are great when you're traveling. If you have kids in dorm room, you have, like I have a nephew who's in the Air Force. He's very, very sensitive skin and can't use like the house brand of detergent they have. And he loves these. They're great. They're all safe for the environment. This one is great for traveling, camping, backpacking, all the things. And it's easy for young kids if you're teaching them how to do laundry because they literally just tear the strip and throw it in the wash. They do know exactly how much they're using. We also have a liquid laundry detergent. Now in our house, we really like the powder and the liquid. These are the 2 I probably use the most. This one, so my powder is like my everyday, all the time loads. The liquid laundry detergent is great for my family because we have kids in sports, we've got pets, so I wash the pet beds and all the things that are really nasty a lot of the time. This has enzymes in it. Enzymes are found in nature. They're like catalysts for breaking down things, like the enzymes in our digestive tract. Now, I teach all my customers just 1 squirt. That's all you need, whether you have a high efficiency or regular washing machine. And it's easy also, if you have a house full of people doing laundry, you just tell them 1 squirt. And this is really nice because it does come in unscented or in lavender. So you've got a couple choices there. Eco strips, great. They're all really great. I love the laundry detergent either way because it's easy to use. All the laundry detergent options are eco-friendly. And when we're putting things out into the waterways, right, we're not contaminating that with lots of chemicals that could damage or pollute the environment or damage and pollute our bodies. When our body burden is high, when we're surrounded by all these chemicals, we tend to have more health issues, right? So I covered all 5 products in our Safe Haven 5. Also, I want to quickly show you the mop. The mop comes with a wet mop pad as well. It works just like an EnviroCloth for your floor. It removes 99% of bacteria. Again, if you have traffic coming in your house, like lots of people coming over, you have kids, you have pets, that is a game changer. I love our mop. Like this is the wet mop pad. It's easy to tell them apart because the dry mop pad has yellow. The wet mop pad you use with water alone, it has the blue edging. Now, if you would like to have your own quick demonstration, please let me know. And I always coach my hostesses just to focus on 5 people. Get 5 people to the demo. And trust me, I would be very happy to make a mess and show all your friends how quickly and easily we can clean it up with our Norwex. Please make sure you join my VIP group. I know I've mentioned that a couple times, but it's so helpful, the information we share there. That's where you're going to learn all about our company, our mission of reducing chemicals in our homes through cleaning and personal care, and all about the cleaning and care of your Norwex microfiber. And I'll share with you some other options for cleaning your bathroom, cleaning your kitchen, the bedrooms, the living rooms. We've got you covered. All awesome, all eco-friendly, last for a very long time. The mop has a 5-year warranty. And if you're interested in joining, we do offer a great business opportunity that allows you to make 35% of everything that you sell. So that means if you sell $1,000, you make $350. I do like to mention it. And you can always connect with me one-on-one and we can chat about that and I can answer any questions that you have. We are always looking for business partners and we're always looking for partners to host an event and share Norwex even more. Currently, we're almost in 4% of homes, and it's just really a great place to learn and have fun and reduce some toxic chemicals in our house. I know you're going to fall in love with Norwex. I know you will love the microfiber products, and we have a 60-day money-back promise on everything. So don't be afraid to shop with us, and I just appreciate you. And if you have questions about the microfiber, how it works, I am always up to answer. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.